it's my responsibility, being taught these tikanga, is to pass it on. Basically, tikanga is to be shared, to be taught. It's something that is passed through whakapapa, through whakawhanaungatanga, through just being interactive with your kaumātua and kuia, aunties and uncles. Everybody around Aotearoa shares different tikanga, so it's always going into a new space with an open mind, always going into a new space to learn, never to judge. And tikanga is also something to teach to others, in my opinion. Always look up to your kaumātua, always respect them. And I think in my line of mahi, a lot of rangatahi don't have that. They don't have that tuakana in their life. They don't have a kaumātua to tell them, to teach them about tikanga, to teach them about all these things. So being in my line of mahi, passing that on to them is really important.